Hello, my dear students. From today, we are going to start our chapter number 4 of class 12th physics, that is magnetic effect of current. And in these videos, we will talk about different numericals, different questions, different problems of SCV. So, we are having first question number 34.1. And in this question, a proton is projected with a speed 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second horizontally from east to west. A uniform magnetic field B of strength 2.0 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Tesla exists in vertical upward direction. The first part of this question is find the force on the proton just after it release. And the B part, what is the acceleration produced? So first we are considering one horizontal plane. So this is one horizontal plane, and in this horizontal plane we can consider four different direction. Okay, this is our west and east direction, and perpendicular to this east west direction we can consider north and south direction. Okay, which are in horizontal plane. And here given in the question, the electric magnetic field is perpendicular, is in vertical direction. So this is the direction of magnetic field. Okay, and the direction of projection is from east to west. So this is the direction of velocity vector. Okay, so if we are using Fleming left hand rule to find the direction of magnetic force, that is FBI. Okay, this is the magnetic field which is vertical upward. This is the direction of projection. Okay, so the force will be in north direction. So in this question we can write the direction of force will be towards the north. The direction of force will be towards the north. Okay, will be towards the north. And since the angle between magnetic field and velocity vector is 90 degree. Okay, so you can use the concept of magnitude of magnetic force, that is QVB sine theta. And what is theta? Theta is equal to 90 degree. So this F is equal to Q, that is the proton, 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. What is the charge on proton? That is the electronic charge, 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. And what is the velocity? Velocity is 3 into 10 raised to power 6. So 3 into 10 raised to power 6. And the magnetic field is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3. And sine 90, you know value of sine 90, that is equal to 1. So F now will become 1.6 into this 3 into 2 will become 6 into 10 raised to power minus 19, and it will become plus 3. Okay, so F is equal to 6.4 into 10 raised to power minus 16 Newton. So it is the value of force. Okay, and direction is towards the north. Now the B part, it is our A part, and B part is asking for the uh, acceleration. So this force we can written as mass into acceleration, and that is equal to 6.4 into 10 raised to power minus 16 Newton. And this A acceleration will become 6.4 into 10 raised to power minus 16 divided by mass of a proton, that is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 27. So our answer will be, the acceleration will be 5.8 into 10 raised to power 11 meter per second. So it is 5.8 into 10 raised to power 11 meter per second. So this first question is related to the magnetic force on moving charge particle, that is QVB. If charge particle is moving perpendicular to the magnetic field, so you can use Fleming left hand rule to find the direction of magnetic force. Thank you very much.